Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 283 move zeros. So just going to read out the spec here. Given an integer array nums, move all its zeros to the end while maintaining the relative order of non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So, you start off with 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2, and then you take away these two zeros and you put them at the end, so it becomes 1, 3, 1, 2, 0, 0. So, constraints number length is between 1 and 10 to the power 4, and each number is between minus 2 to the power of 31 and 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So, I'm just going to switch over to my notes and come up with some ideas. So, initially, the first thing that sort of come into my head is finding some way to remove all the zeros and then just append them to the end once you've iterated through the whole string. So, yes, iterate through string. Or is it a number? No, it's a list. Iterate through a list. It's a list of integers. So iterate through a list. If number, and then just if number is a 0, then increment 0, let's say 0 counter by 1. Otherwise, no, we don't have to say otherwise. So if it's a 0, then increment 0 counter by 1. And then we're going to do, increment 0 counter by 1 and remove the 0 from the list. Cool. And then we're going to, once we've iterated through it, add 0 underscore counter amount of zeros to the end. Cool. So that is what we need to do. Just have to figure out a way to write the code for it. So let's put our notes into here. Paste it in, comment it out. So, iterating through the list. So, for a num in range length of nums, what we're going to do, we're going to check if num is equal to 0, 0 underscore counter plus equal 1, then we're going to do, okay, is it nums dot remove? Let's give this a Google. Remove item at index python. Pop. Pop. Okay, so you could just do pop with the index. Cool, let's use pop. Nums.pop num. Then what we can do is we can do for a 0 in range length of 0, in fact we can just do range 0 underscore counter nums.append 0. Let's run this. This is just adding all the zeros to the end. That is because I didn't define this variable. So let's add it in here, set equal to 0, start off with, hit run. The list is out of range. For num in range, length of nums Why is it out of range? For num in range, length of nums. For num in range, length of num, so it shouldn't go out of range. What is num at this point? Let's just print num at this point. Oh, right, yeah. I didn't think about that. Um, hmm. Because you're removing zeros, but you're still iterating to the end. Hmm. Um. Hmm. Um. Let's. I'm gonna look up if there's a way to remove all like values. All of you. If there's a way to like remove a certain item from a list. To, like remove all ones and remove all twos. Let's see if there's a way to do that. Um. Remove all value. Remove all occurrences of a value in a list. Um. I think these all are gonna create. That's gonna create a null assistant in place. Um. So if you've got this, you remove this, your index 0, and then you're going up to the next index, which hmm. Yeah, this is starting to get, it's starting to fry my brain a bit. Um. Hmm. So you could say that if you remove a 0, so if you're here, you're going to be index 0, 1, 2. If you remove this, you're going to be index 2, and it's going to be 0, 1, 3, 1, 2. So your index 2 is going to be 0, 1, 2. You're going to be 3, but then you're going to go on to the next one, which is 12, so you're going to miss out 3. So you could say, like, we'll just have a variable called, like, position, set equal to 0. So we can say while position is less than the length of nums. We can say if nums position is equal to 0, 0 counter plus 1, remove num, and then we can say just say else. We're gonna go on to the next number. It will go on to the next number when it does this, because when you're removing this 0, you're going to be you're going to be removing this 0, which will be your index 2, but then this 3 is going to be going back here, so you are kind of going on to the next number, but it's just a bit of a weird way of doing it. While this is while this is less than this. Name num is not defined. Okay. Position. Okay, both of those test cases got accepted. Let's hit submit. And hopefully, there we go. Test cases accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was a bit more simple or efficient, again, please let me know. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.